Have you ever tried making spaghetti stir fry? Yes? No? Well, today I'll be showing you a very easy recipe that needs minimal ingredients and the outcome is just incredibly delicious. The best part about this recipe is that you can customize the ingredients and add any vegetable of your choice to this stir fry. To make the sauce for our stir fry, you're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Using a spoon, you're going to mix in until everything is fully combined. Add in 1 medium onion together with some crushed garlic and ginger. Toss the onions and garlic and ginger together and cook for around a minute until the onions are softened up. Once the onions are ready, I'm going to be adding in my fresh vegetables. I'm going to be adding in some zucchini, carrots, and red capsicum. Feel free to add in any vegetables that you have in the fridge to the recipe. You're going to cook your vegetables for around a minute over medium flame until the vegetables have softened up. The best part about this recipe is that you can use leftover spaghetti just like me. Over here I have spaghetti that I had yesterday, so it has been in the fridge overnight and it's chilled. And if you're going to be making fresh spaghetti, that is boiling your spaghetti before making the vegetables, you're going to boil the spaghetti until the spaghetti are al dente. That means that the spaghetti are cooked halfway, so that you can finalize cooking the spaghetti in the pan as you make your stir fry. As the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to be adding in my already prepped up sauce for my stir fry, and I'm not going to be adding in any salt because both soy sauce and oyster sauce are high in sodium. So I'm going to add this in my pan. Toss the sauce together with the veggies. Add in my leftover spaghetti. And then I'm going to toss my spaghetti into the delicious veggies, which are well seasoned. This looks so good. So I'm going to be adding in a little bit of black pepper. That is half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix in so that it can be fully combined with the stir fry noodles. Oh yum, this is looking so good. After adding in your spaghetti, you're going to be cooking for around 1 to 2 minutes over low flame. This is to warm up your spaghetti and also so that the spaghetti can be coated with the delicious sauce and vegetables. Mine are ready, so I'm going to turn out the flames and then I'm going to start to show you how delicious this spaghetti stir fry is. So I have a very nice lovely bowl over here. I'm going to plate up my spaghetti. This is one of those recipes that you usually make when you're feeling super lazy because it's easy and quick to prepare. I love how my spaghetti stir fry has turned out. It's loaded with lots of vegetables and it's very flavorful. So if you're looking for an easy meal plan, this is perfect because it's very easy and quick to prepare. Catch you on my next episode.